What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Yusuf and you clicked on this video because you're interested in what is cryptocurrency and why you should invest into it. This will act as a bit of a beginner's guide so you can gain some information and see whether you truly want to invest into cryptocurrency yourself. What's up my people, it's Yusuf again, and today I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency. Now cryptocurrency is a very trendy topic, especially in recent years. You may have seen a lot about cryptocurrency on a lot of social media such as TikTok or Instagram, or even a lot of people on YouTube discussing it. And you clicked on this video because you're interested in why people gain 4 times, 5 times, even 10 times the amount of money they initially invested in through cryptocurrency, and what you can do so you can be involved. So before I delve into the ins and outs of cryptocurrency, I want to give a bit more of an introduction and context about how actual money works. So let's bring it straight to the basics before even money was a thing. So initially people used to trade with each other based on objects and animals and based on their own opinion of that value. Say for example, a pickaxe could be valuable for a farmer but completely useless to someone who's a general worker who works at a shop. And this idea of value is completely different to different people. So money was never a thing. People traded using objects and animals, but there was a way of making something universal and valuable to everyone, and it can actually create a society, and that was gold. Everyone wants gold, it's valuable and it's universal. You can buy goods and services with gold back then, and it was seen as a better thing than just trading based off objects or animals. But there was a disadvantage to that, and that was it was a raw material and it was very limited and precious. That being said, it wasn't great for the whole general public to have the ability to trade with valuable gold, but instead they brought paper into the mix and said this paper represents gold. You could trade with this piece of paper called money. So they created a currency which was money, paper, dollars or pounds, and they based it on raw materials such as gold or silver. Now we come to a time where we're now trading with people and using money to pay off stuff because it is reliable and is much easier to hold than actual raw gold, but it still had the same value as gold itself. But now we'll come to a day of age where we're now using fiat money, and fiat money essentially is money which isn't based on gold or silver anymore, but based on international acceptance and regulation of money by the government. Now this fiat money is hugely dealt with online through banking online and also card transactions. Now paper money is getting less and less common and is now all based online. Now you have a credit card or a bank app which tells you how much money you have. So instead of holding all this amount of cash with you personally, you now have an online banking system which tells you how much money you are worth or how much money you have. Putting this all together, digital currency isn't a new thing. We're now in a time where we're dealing more with digital currency than actual paper money itself. So let's bring cryptocurrency into this now. Crypto is a digital currency which isn't based on any real life value. So you may ask, what is crypto based off and what determines its value? There are many points which determines any cryptocurrency's value, but one of them is supply and demand. That basically means if demand surpasses supply, the value of the coin increases and vice versa. Also another point which determines a crypto's value is the cost of production. And the way crypto is made or manufactured is through mining, crypto mining, and you may have heard this a lot through the internet. But essentially you use very smart and complex computers to verify the next block on a blockchain based on that cryptocurrency. And obviously using these computers can take a lot of energy, and this also have an impact on a cryptocurrency's value. Another point which kind of links with supply is also the availability of those cryptocurrencies on an exchange market such as Coinbase, Binance and so on. It's not hard to imagine if the availability of these coins are quite low on an exchange, it can increase in value just because the demand is there but the supply is minimum. Another very obvious point is also competition. There is thousands of cryptocurrencies out there and they're all competing to get someone to buy into them, and obviously this competition can indirectly affect the value of any cryptocurrency out there. And last but not least, governance and regulations. Although these cryptocurrencies are decentralized and no third-party government or agencies can affect these cryptocurrencies, governments still have a big factor in how much these cryptocurrency is valued. This can be seen as a government banning cryptocurrency as a whole and the trading of cryptocurrency as a whole in the country, as you can see on recent articles in China. And as you can see, this decreased the value on a lot of cryptocurrencies because, let's face it, China is the second largest country in the world in terms of population, and you're just closing off a huge population of the world where they cannot now trade with the cryptocurrency, and that can decrease the value of it. So this brings up another question: why should you invest into cryptocurrency, and why not just deal with regular cash, how we are currently dealing with in today's society? People buy into crypto because it's an investment. They see it increasing in value quicker than current day's inflation, which means they will not lose the value of their money as quick as if they are leaving it in the bank. Also, it being an investment and growing higher than current day's inflation, you can sell it off in the future. Also, people buy into cryptocurrency because they can see that it will be used in applications in the future. They believe these cryptocurrencies can also be used as actual currencies where they can buy anything, such as many tweets you may have seen online by Elon Musk saying, look, you can buy a cryptocurrency with Tesla in the near future. And people believe if they buy into it now and it increases in value, they can get it much cheaper in the future compared if they were to buy it with money in the future as well. Also, people buy into crypto because it's decentralized and no governing body is in charge with the cryptocurrency as a whole. This means that no governing body can control crypto, and the person investing has more control of their money and maybe feel more safer with it. And one of the main advantages that I see personally is that it's a currency of the world. The value of Bitcoin is the same everywhere around the world, which means that cryptocurrency can be the future currency of the whole world in the future as well. As much as there's good points with using crypto, there's also some bad points currently as well. It's very volatile. The value of cryptocurrency is very volatile, as you can see from previous history as well, that there has been some exponential growths and huge crashes as well. Based on when you put your money into a cryptocurrency or when you invested into a cryptocurrency, you may see a huge boost in your value, but it could crash quickly as well. So it's very volatile and you have to be very safe when dealing with cryptocurrency. So as much as your portfolio value increases in value, it can decrease in value probably as quick as it increased as well. The usage of cryptocurrency is very limited at the moment. As much as companies promising and investing into cryptocurrency, many companies are still not applying these cryptocurrencies in transactions and official purchases, which still means that it's very limited. But who knows, that may change in the future. In fact, I would like to think that it will change. Also, the environment. The environment does play a big role in cryptocurrency because we're now in a day of age where global warming is a huge problem and we're trying to tackle it. Using computers to mine cryptocurrency obviously uses a lot of energy, and that can increase carbon footprint when you are mining crypto. So actually mining this cryptocurrency can be very detrimental to the environment, and also finding the right computer with the correct hardware could cost a lot of electricity to manufacture and also to be used when mining as well. So there is what is a cryptocurrency and why you should invest into it. Obviously, I'm investing into cryptocurrency myself, but that's my own opinion. This isn't financial advice, but you can do your own research and look into what cryptocurrency you should invest in. Thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, so there's thousands of opportunities where you can make some great returns of investments and also even hold it and use it in future applications when they do start to roll over and come through. So there you go, guys. It's a nice and quick video about cryptocurrency. So if you're a beginner, please do your research. There's plenty of videos out there discussing cryptocurrency, and also this channel you're watching at right now will contain a lot of cryptocurrency videos in the near future. Crypto is a growing topic with huge potential, and I believe that if you do the right research, you can see some great gains when investing into cryptocurrency. So please do leave a like under this video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me out dearly. You're going to see many videos out there in the near future discussing about cryptocurrency and also about being the best person you can be. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.